Hi, good morning, everyone. It's Sunday morning, the 9th of February. Time is 6:20 right now, and as you can see, I'm in Route 302, going to Vermont, and everything is neat and clean. Like they already plowed the road, but just drive safe, drive slow, because we still have like a little bit snow going on here. And follow me or subscribe me for more updates. And just drive safe, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good weekend. If you're going for ski, if you're going for snowboarding, that's the best weather today. I think sunrise around like 7:30 today. Just follow me for more updates, guys. Thank you.